Guys, on today's episode we'll be making black forest cake, which happens to be my favorite type of cake. Let's make it together. So the first step is adding our margarine or butter, and we take our whisk and whisk that up and until it has changed the color from dark yellow to light yellow. And also you are then going to add in our sugar. And guys, remember, the amount of sugar to the margarine should be 1:1. It should be the same, and I've listed down below the ingredients in the description box. Kindly check that out. Also, you can also leave a comment in the description box and tell me which is your favorite type of cake. We have added some baking powder and baking soda, and then we're going to add in baking flour. We sieve that because we want to incorporate the air. We don't want cake that is not bouncy. And then we add in our drinking chocolate, okay, or you can also use in your cocoa powder, and you sieve that. Since it's a dry ingredient, fold that, okay, fold that. And then we're going to also add in milk. And guys, the milk quantity definitely varies, okay, so that is why we are going to add in milk in bits as we fold. Guys, do not mix, you're going to fold. So if you don't have a hand mixer, you'll just fold in with a normal wooden spoon, okay, or just a silicone spoon, just like so. And if you have a hand mixer like me, don't use the whisking part, use the folding part, okay. By the way, that is the work of that part. It's called a folder, and that is the job of our folder. So we're going to fold in, and then guys, never forget this step. Never forget to oil and dust your pan if you don't have a parchment paper or a baking sheet, okay. So you can either decide to oil with margarine and flour. And then I'd forgotten to add in my eggs, so I added and mixed our ingredients well. And then you place it in your baking sufuria, 180 degrees, 45 minutes. Our cake was ready, guys, and look at that. So, and maybe also let your cake rest before you turn it. And guys, look at that cake. I was so happy with the way that cake turned out. It was the best cake I've ever made.